Introduction!
Morning. Welcome again to my YouTube channel.
In our unmade bed.
Yes, we just woke up as you can see. And we're going to the beach. Today is the second day. We're having day off. Babo's day off tomorrow too. So his day off started today. My day off started yesterday. And we're going to the beach. We're gonna use boogie board. I'm gonna bring my GoPro. And yes, today is another film day since me and Babo doesn't work as much as before. So yeah. Babo thinks I sound like that. Anyway guys, I'll get ready, put my swim sod.
Your swim sod? Get your swim sod on.
Put my swimming attire on. And let's go! Go! So we're heading guys. We're bringing Babo's truck because we have lots of stuff.
We have a kite, but there's no wind. We have a boogie board. We have an umbrella. We have the thing that digs the hole for the umbrella. We have 2 beach chairs. We have lots of food. Sunblock. Phones. Monies. GoPros. Football. Frisbee. Everything you could possibly need at the beach.
So, for parking guys, it's $10 for parking in here if you're bringing a car. But it's free if you're just gonna walk and go there. It's totally free.
$5 for veterans or disabled people. $50 for a season, which maybe we should consider.
Ang lapit lang guys, yan lang yung beach. Yan sa amin, nandito lang banda sa amin. And yung beach is nandyan lang sa harap. Ayan.
It's literally a block away. My car doors are just locking right now automatically, and we're already here.
Guys, you can see the beach already. Ooh, big waves.
Nice. I need
$10.
Let's consider the annual pass. How long does the annual pass last when you purchase it? We're gonna consider it. We're residents. Yeah, we only live down the block, but we have so much stuff that it sucks to carry it all.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Off season. Yeah. All right.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
It's already sunny. So this is the pass, guys. The way you need to have when you come here and bring your car.
Have to be on the other side.
Yeah.
Flip it around there.
Yeah, that's fine now.
Have to be very careful because of pedestrians.
And today also, guys, is...
Oh, look at the waves.
I know, I told you. You can ride your boogie board. And today also, guys, is Filipino food day at my work at Margie's FA Cafe. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go or not. Let's say later. But looks like it's not gonna rain. Hopefully. Looks like it's okay. It's hot, so we're good to go. But look how cloudy today.
That's good. And there's a storm surge coming in from, I think, the Keys right now. We're probably going to be set for another hurricane, I would say, next week.
Okay.
Right now it's a tropical storm, right? But it's coming in, which is nice for the waves. And it's been raining every night.
Before we go, where's the sunblock?
Sunblock in the car?
Yeah. There's sunblock right now. I don't want to bring this outside.
I do.
There's sunblock right now. Wear sunblock, guys.
Yeah, wear sunblock.
Because it's really hot. This is hot.
I still have a sunburn from last month.
I already put sunblock in my face already. I don't even know if I'm gonna bring my glasses out there. Babe, you. I'll put it in our wallet.
Here. Give it to me.
You have to put on my back too, babe.
Yeah, that's why we have to get out of the car. That's why I suggested sunblocking outside, but okay.
Here. You sunblock, where are you going away?
I thought you were gonna hit me
Hit you?
from looking at you like that. Like the snack.
My face is bare.
Good.
My eyes is gone now. Look at my eyes.
Wait.
Thanks, B. Sus.
I like my wife.
I think I put it on. Yeah, I did. Okay, what are we gonna bring out?
Everything.
So I brought my GoPro, guys, so we can film in the water with the boogie board.
Where is your wallet?
Oh, I'm hungry too. Can I eat in the car first?
Oh, come on. I got lots of food. I got towels. I got chairs.
You didn't eat anything.
Oh, I ate. Trust me.
Oh, no.
At Arby's. I literally ate it 4 times last night. Quarter pound.
I just woke up, guys, and then
Oh, a half
that was
pound.
it. I didn't eat anything. Kain muna ako, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman kapag mga girls hindi kumakain, hindi yung gutom, moody. And that's actually true. Kasi moody ako, guys, sa paggutom ako. Tahimik ako, tapos seryoso, tapos madali lang kumanoy at mairita. Yung gutom. Sana napanood niyo yung guys, video ko na nagdo-drive, nagpa-practice ng drive. Ooh, Baby brought my strawberries. I think this is the This was like 3 days, no, 4 days ago. Sour. Malaki yung waves today, guys, which is good for boogie board. So, maganda siya for boogie board, and then may nagfi-fishing din dito, guys, na mga locals lang din. So, takot kasi ako mag-fishing dito kasi maraming tao. Baka maano sila ba? Sila yung makuha natin. So, lalabas na ako in a bit, guys. Okay, let's go. Okay. Check natin, guys, kung lock na ba yung doors. Okay. Look at the waves. Look at the waves, babe. Look. Tingnan nyo, guys. Naghihintay na yung mga birds sa akin para ano sila. Hintay na sila sa akin na bigyan sila ng pagkain. Nakalain sila. And the rain is coming. Look at that.
It's coming here. We're next.
Bubbles like you. Oh, good job, babe. So, ayun na, guys. Yun na yung day namin. It was big wave.